Hi, welcome to Quick Speak. Today we're learning the third confidence trick, how to end a conversation in English. Here we go.
Do I end a conversation at work without sounding rude?
Say, let's talk later. I have work to do.
What's a friendly way to end a casual conversation?
It was nice talking to you.
I have another task to do. What can I say before I leave?
Thank you.
What phrase can I use after talking on the phone?
Thanks for the call. Bye for now.
How do I end a conversation with someone I don't know well?
It was nice meeting you.
What can I say when the conversation is getting too long?
I need to go now, but it was nice talking.
How can I end a conversation online or by message?
I need to log off now. Talk later.
What's a simple phrase for intermediate learners?
I should get going now.
How do I end a conversation without giving excuses?
Just say, I have to go now.
What can I say at a party?
I'm going to talk to someone else. See you later.
How do I politely stop someone who talks too much?
Sorry to interrupt, but I need to go.
What's a common phrase for daily conversations?
Anyway, I'll let you go.
How can I end a conversation with a coworker?
Let's continue this later.
What can I say to sound calm and confident?
Speak slowly and say, I'll talk to you soon.
How do I end a conversation at a store or service place?
Thank you. Have a nice day.
What phrase works for beginners in many situations?
See you later.
How can I end a conversation without feeling bad?
Remember, it's okay to leave politely.
What can I say when I'm tired?
I'm a bit tired, so I'm going home.
How do I close a conversation with my boss?
Thank you for your time.
What's a polite ending for phone calls at work?
Thank you. I'll talk to you soon.
What can I say after a short conversation?
Nice talking to you.
How do I end a conversation with friends online?
I'm heading out. Talk later.
What's a friendly way to end a conversation at school?
See you in class.
How do I end a conversation when time is short?
I only have a minute, but I need to go now.
What phrase sounds polite and confident?
It was great talking to you.
How can I practice this confidence trick?
Practice short endings every day.
What should beginners focus on first?
Simple sentences, not perfect grammar.
How do I end a conversation naturally?
Stop adding new topics and use a closing phrase.
What's a good phrase to end a video call?
Thanks, everyone. Bye.
How do I end a conversation with a neighbor?
Good to see you. Take care.
What can I say when leaving a meeting?
That's all for me. Thank you.
How do I end a conversation confidently?
Say your closing phrase clearly and smile.
What's the main confidence trick for daily conversations?
Ending politely, simply, and without fear.
I need to leave the meeting now. What can I say?
I'll catch up with you later.
I'm done with this task and talking to a coworker. What's natural to say?
Talk to you soon.
I'm leaving the office for lunch. What can I say?
See you in a bit.
I'm ending a quick phone call. What's polite?
I'll call you later.
I'm stepping away from my desk for a while. What should I say?
I'll be back soon.
I finished a conversation with a client. What's a natural ending?
Let's continue this tomorrow.
I need to go to another meeting. What can I say?
I'll see you there.
I'm done asking questions and need to leave. What's okay?
That's all for now.
I'm leaving after a short chat in the hallway. What can I say?
Catch you later.
I finished talking with my manager. How can I end the conversation?
I'll follow up on this.
I'm done talking with a teammate. What's polite to say?
Let's pick this up later.
I'm leaving the office early. What can I say?
See you tomorrow.
I'm done explaining something to a coworker. What's natural?
That should cover it.
I'm finishing a call and need to go. What's okay to say?
I'll talk to you soon.
What can I say if I need to leave but don't want to rush?
Say, I should get going, but let's talk again soon.
How do I end a conversation politely with a stranger?
It was nice meeting you. Take care.
What if I want to sound very professional?
Thank you for your time. I appreciate it.
How can I end a conversation during a meeting online?
That's all from me. Thank you, everyone.
What's a friendly ending for coworkers?
All right. Talk to you later.
How do I leave without sounding cold?
Use a warm tone and say, I'll talk to you soon.
What if the conversation feels awkward?
Keep it simple. I need to go now.
How do I end a conversation after helping someone?
Glad I could help. Talk later.
What can I say when I need a break?
I'm going to take a short break.
How do I leave a conversation at the gym or public place?
All right. Enjoy the rest of your day.
What if someone keeps talking and I need to stop them?
Say calmly, sorry, I have to go now.
How do I end a conversation on WhatsApp or chat apps?
I need to step away. Talk later.
What's a polite phrase when leaving work?
I'm heading out now. See you tomorrow.
How can I end a conversation when I feel nervous?
Focus on one simple phrase and say it clearly.
What if English is not my first language?
Simple phrases are always okay.
How do I sound confident when ending a conversation?
Speak slowly and don't apologize too much.
What can I say if I don't want to explain myself?
I have to go now.
Is it okay to repeat the same phrase often?
Yes. Repetition helps confidence.
How do I end a conversation politely with a customer?
Thank you for coming. Have a great day.
What's a natural ending after a quick question?
Thanks. That's all I needed.
How do I leave a conversation with friends?
All right, I'm heading out.
What if I want to be extra polite?
Add thank you at the end.
How do I end a conversation when I'm busy?
I'm a bit busy right now, but we'll talk later.
What's a confident ending for daily life?
I'll catch up with you later.
How do I end a conversation naturally without silence?
Use a closing phrase and start moving away.
What's the biggest mistake learners make?
Waiting too long to end a conversation.
What should I remember most?
Ending a conversation is normal and polite.
What's the key confidence trick?
Short, clear endings without fear.
How often should I practice this?
Every day in small conversations.
What's the easiest phrase to start with?
I have to go now.
And the friendliest one?
It was nice talking to you.
Great. I feel more confident now.
That's the goal. You're doing great.
So, how do I end this conversation?
Just say it calmly.
All right. Thanks for the talk. See you later.
Perfect. That's confident English.
I'm ending a quick discussion at work. What can I say?
Let's wrap this up.
Where can I learn more?
On Quick Speak Q&A. See you in the next episode. See you soon.